Hi, I'm Patti with Dental Hygiene Excellence, and we're here in Chicago today with a workshop with several dental practices learning about periodontal disease and oral systemic health and how to implement that into their practice. We teach to test, treat, and repopulate and heal, and that's what we want to help our patients do. So we're so thrilled to have StellaLife here with us today, and we are all about using StellaLife to give our patients something to heal with, and I'm so excited about that company because their mission is to reduce opioid abuse. And we have actually had many cases of patients who had surgeries and periodontal treatment, and they've used the StellaLife and have healed so fast and have really had very little pain. It can absolutely be controlled with Tylenol and maybe a little Advil. So we've had great results with this product. You see that they are just healing and doing really well after periodontal therapy and or any kind of surgery. So we really appreciate this company and being able to use these products for our patients for better outcomes.